Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make beautiful, lovely, crunchy butternut squash pakora. This is very delicious and yummy and very simple to make it. Let's start. First of all, we got some grated butternut squash. It's just very simple. With the grater, you grate it up. Then we're going to add little bit, one onion is grated as well. I need some chili powder. You can use it according to your taste. I need little bit of garam masala to it. And tiny bit of coriander powder. Little bit chaat masala. We're going to add some gram flour or chickpea flour, whatever you want to say. So what they're going to do, they're going to bind everything together. Now we're going to mix them all together. We're going to add some salt, and of course we're going to need some pepper. Viewers, now we're going to fry them. We make a little bowl and we're going to chuck it in the fat. The temperature is got to be 180 degrees. Viewers, look at that. They are nicely cooking away. They takes only 3 to 4 minutes. Viewers, that's my beautiful, lovely and crunchy butternut squash pakora. We serve it with a little bit of chips. What could be better than that? Enjoy and bon appetit.